Hello beautiful people. Today we're going to analyze Ethereum and see where it might be headed within the next 8 to 9, well, for the rest of the day. So as you can see, it has tested the first resistance, the lowest nearest resistance, which is 3555. And then we're looking at if that breaks, but right now it did touch it and it went back, it retraced back. So we're looking at the first one, which should be this level right here. This should be the very first 525. If it breaks below this, now it's the price is sort of contained within this, since it has been doing well. It needs to make a rebound eventually. So if it doesn't break this, then we will be seeing it to break, probably breaking 3525, and then making a rebound around this area or so. And then once it breaks this, we will be looking at the first one, which is 3580. And if we go, why specifically here the prices, and here we're not going to talk much about the support because it has broken so much so far. So this one is the first one, and the second one is around this level. First one is 3,480. That's the lowest, and then it goes to 3,424, which was yesterday's resistance. And so let's go and try to figure out why is this really happening here. Why is it trying to pull back from this level right here? What's happening right around this area? So if we go all the way back here, we will see that the price is here right now at 540 at the time of making this video, currently live. We'll be looking at, you see right here, it tries to break, it fails at that level, and then it goes to breaking other resistance support lines, and then goes and here makes the M, and then it goes all the way down. So what we're looking at right now is for it to break this level, these two levels. And once it breaks these two levels, because it has been like, these levels are months, maybe months back, it's from May, 18 May, so once it breaks, it will take some, the price might stay here, maybe not, never know. It's not an advice to trade it right now until it breaks, either it pulls back below the level or it closes above these two specific levels. So it is more safer to know where the price might be heading. If you had an early position from here, well, you just wait until it breaks back to 348, and then if it breaks that, then it might be going back to retrace for a bit. So for now, we just looking to see whether it's gonna break these two resistances, the lowest, the nearest resistances, and then we're gonna be looking at these levels here. As you could see, it's all of those are respected all the way back from 14 May, from May's month. So if we go back here, all the way back here, now as you could see, it did not break, and it gave us a pin bar right here. So the price is likely to be touching 3,525, and if it does like a move like this, well, you should be expecting it to be either hitting this level. If it breaks this level, of course, it will be breaking, probably we're looking at this level right here, and then the price might be contained within this area right here until either breaks, makes all the way back down here, breaks this, and then we're talking about this area, and the price will be contained within this area until it breaks here or here. But since now it made this first resistance, it broke this first resistance at 35, what is it, 3525, Then we saw a small rebound, and now it tried to break the second nearest resistance. It didn't, and as you can see, even now, it tried to touch this support line right here, but it got pulled back right, like almost instantly, just a matter of seconds, just got pulled back. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, then you see it got a very intense two pin bars right here. Tried to break it before, like, because it touched it here, here again, and here just doesn't happen. So if we get more detailed about intraday trading, then we look in this level. The nearest one is 3531. So if it breaks this support, then we're looking at this level. And if it breaks this, then we're looking at this level. Around this area, which it's kind of hard to put something around this, but personally, I'll be looking at this level for more safety. So if the price gets pulled back from here from this area, closes below this, then it's more likely to try to attempt to break this one as well. But if not, then we are looking to stay within this area until it breaks this for it to see the price going up. But for now, as you could see, it's still really struggling to break this support, because every time it touches, now it tried to break this and this at the same time, and it got pulled like this. So it is more probably, no, we will not advise you to do anything. So if it is a pin bar like this, then it is more likely to be testing the resistance again. If it didn't, then it is more like, if it did here below, then it is more likely to go down. So now, since it broke this, we are looking now, the price is contained within this area here. So if we get this very specific, it will be around this area right here. And as you can see, it's very close to it, like it did touch. And let's see the 5 minutes. This is the beginning of the first hour. So if we look at the first hour, what happened in the first hour. So now in here, well, it is a pin bar, and it got rejected from here. So this one, it's probably gonna close below this level, and it's gonna test this level, as since it is a very strong move from here. So there has to be some retracement, as we always see that, like breaks, retracement, breaks, retracement, breaks, retracement. So I probably retrace to 50% of this high, so we might be looking at the price around here, and then from here it could be a very good entry if the price reaches this level. That's it for today. We'll see what happens in the next 10 hours or so. We'll update you at night, and stay tuned, subscribe, and join our public groups to stay tuned with our analysis. Have a beautiful day.